Hi, I'm Danita Inez, and let's go ahead and get started with our dancing. Come on, let's go. So we're going to start with the cha-cha basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha side break. 2, 3, crossover cha, up and lower. Yes, let's do that again. Nice and chill. So as we walk through, cha-cha basic right foot. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, side break, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, up and down. Yes, that'll be our 6, 7. Then keep your weight on your right foot. Shake across 1, 3, 2 taps, 5, 6, chasse back. Let's do that part again from the side breaks. So cross 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up 6, 7. Now this can be as high or as low as you want it to be. Then shake and walk 1, 3, double tap, cross to the left, 5, 6, chasse back, 7, and 8. From here, we're going to connect all those dots. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. Side break, cha-cha-cha. Lift, lower, shake it. 1, 3, tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right turn, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7. Beautiful, friends. That's exactly what you want to do. So let's keep it going. Ready? Here we go from the right turn. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. We're going to kick with the right and rock it back. 8 and 1, 2 and 3. Third time, 4 and 5. Now take that toe of the left in and do a nice scooch to the side. So when you're rocking, you want to go from that right turn. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, kick it out. 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Go toe, scooch to the side. Nice. From here, weight on the right. We're going to glide to the side, 2 rond de jambes, then glide back to the left, 2 rond de jambes. Yes, very beautiful. So again, here we go. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and scooch. 3, 4, hit 5, 6, 7, other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 3 hops. Groove step of your choice. 3 hops and groove step of your choice. So have fun with that last part. Yes, friends? Here we go. Very nice. Let's do it one more time, friends. Yes? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Side break, cha-cha. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, shake across. Now, 1, 3, tap, tap. 5, 6, chasse, 7, and 8. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, kick it back now. 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So out 6, 7, 8. Now to the side, we'll glide. But let's go from the top and put everything together. So you have a full picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Side break. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Shake and 1, 3, tap, tap. 5, 6, chasse back and right turn. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kick it up. 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Toe 6, 7, and glide to the side. Rond de jambe. 1, 3, rond de jambe. 5, 7. 3 hops. 1, 2, 3, and groove it out. 1, 2, 3, and groove it out. Basic. And there's your cha-cha break. Good job, friends. Beautiful.